Today I will discuss about the chapter A House is Not a Home from the Class 9 Book of Moments. The author is Xan Gaudioso. Xan Gaudioso is a contributing author of the Chicken Soup for the Soul series of books. She is also famous for being the co-author of the renowned book The Buddha Next Door. This story reflects the challenges of being a teenager and the problems of growing up. What are all the problems that a child faces while growing up? How does the author overcome his problems? And that is what we will learn in this chapter. The author is the protagonist of this story. He is a teenager. Now, he enrolled his name in high school, but he felt very awkward in the school as he felt very lonely there. He was missing his old friends, he was missing his old school and his old teachers. So he often visited his old school and met his teachers there. His teachers encouraged him to do lot of activities so that he could meet more and more people, and then maybe a time would come he would start loving his new school more than his old school. Now the author knew why the teachers said him so. To add to his miseries, one Sunday afternoon the author was sitting at home at his dining room table doing his homework. His cat, his pet cat, red color cat, was sitting beside him on some of the papers of his, and it was purring and squatting at a pen which the cat enjoyed to do. And the author's mother was busy tending the fire which was burning in the fireplace. Suddenly, the author smelled something strange. He saw that smoke was pouring in through the seams of the ceiling, and he realized that his house was set on fire. So he and his mother quickly looked for the way to the door, and they moved out and escaped to the garden. The author asked for help from his neighbors to call for the firemen. So the firemen arrived and they tried their best to rescue the author and his mother and to put out the fire. The author was actually wrapped in a blanket and put in a car. The author's mother, she was provided with an oxygen mask as she was suffocating due to the smoke and put into the car. In the meantime, the cat disappeared somewhere which the author at that moment didn't realize. Then the author and his mother, they had to spend that night in grandmother's and grandfather's house as they had no other way. And these firemen, they took nearly 5 hours to put out the fire. Now the author and his mother had nothing with them, only some documents and photographs of father was left out. Otherwise everything was burnt up. The author was very sad and depressed. The next day, it was Monday, and the author, he was forced by his mother to go to school. He went to school, but he was feeling very low and embarrassed as he had no school uniform or shoes or books or bag or notebooks, anything. But still he went to school, but there he couldn't say anything to anybody. He was just wearing his previous day's, that is Sunday dress that he wore in the church. Now he thought that he will remain silent and pass out the day. So in this way, several days passed by. Then one day he was forced into the gym room by some of the students. He was little bit surprised. When he entered the room, he saw that lot of things were kept on the table. Notebooks, backpack, books, uniforms and many other things. And it appeared to him as if those things were all Christmas gifts for him. So he realized that all the students of his class, they had actually collected money to buy these things for him. They were supporting him, and this really made him feel very happy. So he got everything back from his friends. He was for sometimes feeling that I should die. I have nothing in my life. But this was the moment which made him feel very encouraging. He returned back home and told this to his mother and felt very happy about it. Now his house, it took about a month to be rebuilt. One day he was sitting on the pavement with his friends and discussing about something when a woman from back came and inquired whom the cat which she was carrying in her arms belonged to. When he looked at the cat, he was astounded because that was his cat, and he grabbed it and he felt that really life was very entertaining and enjoyable. He wanted at that moment to live his life to the fullest. So therefore, the way his house was rebuilt, he felt that his life was also rebuilt. That's all. Thank you.